The technique I'm about to share in this video can make a woman deeply fall in love with you. It is suitable when you are already engaged in a more meaningful conversation with this woman, feeling a genuine interest in her. As the conversation deepens and she starts sharing more intimate aspects of her life, including problems and needs, it's the ideal time to apply this strategy. When she opens up about a problem or a need in her life, many men make a crucial mistake by offering verbal solutions. For example, if she's sharing a work-related issue like her boss constantly demanding despite a heavy workload, responding with something like, "Well, you could organize your time, make a spreadsheet to manage your tasks. I did that, and it helped a lot," or, "You should talk to your boss, express your concerns," you might end up making a crucial mistake. By offering practical solutions in words, you can break the connection that was being built. Many women, when sharing their problems, are seeking two specific things: emotional support or a real solution to the problem. If she's looking for a verbal solution, she'll likely ask you directly, something like, "What do you think I should do about this?" If she doesn't ask this question, she might be primarily seeking emotional support. Another mistake is encouraging her to talk more about the problem, diving into her emotions. For instance, saying something like, "Tell me more about how your father was in your childhood. Did he hit you? That must be tough. Tell me more about what you're feeling." Stimulating this type of conversation can lead to a negative association of feelings. The danger here is sinking together into that sadness, which may not be beneficial. Instead, when she shares something difficult, offer light emotional support. Show empathy by saying simple things like, "It must be hard for you. I'm here for you." Avoid delving deeper into negative emotions. In such moments, send messages asking how she's feeling or if she's better. Steer the conversation toward a more positive place, suggesting activities that could help distract her or talking about lighter subjects. By doing this, you'll help her associate you with positive feelings, contributing to the development of a deeper connection and eventually sparking feelings of passion. Here's an interesting story. If the man knew a specific technique, he could have acted in a way that strengthened the emotional connection with the woman. Instead of just offering words of comfort, he could have said something like, "Calm down, I'm here for you. If you want, I can come over and stay with you until the rain stops." By expressing willingness to be physically present and offer support, he would have had the opportunity to become a hero for her. This is instinctive for many women, who often seek in a man the sense of protection and security in fearful situations. This approach could have further strengthened their connection. If he had said something like, "Calm down, I'm here for you. Do you want me to come over until the rain stops?" it would have shown a willingness to be physically present and offer support. This approach goes beyond verbal solutions and activates the woman's instinct to feel protected, creating a positive association. If they were already dating and had more freedom, he could have said something like, "Calm down, I'll come over to stay with you until this rain passes," further reinforcing the idea of being a support and hero for her. I hope this technique is helpful, and if you liked it, click the like button to let me know I could assist. Sending you a big kiss, and see you next time.